And then, as I started learning and showing my worth and that I wanted to learn, I started bringing donuts and coffees to the old Polish guys on the manuals and dodging their wrenches and stuff and just filling up notebooks. And eventually, I got to go get tools and I learned the old school way of, machining and this craft and this art. And I just felt like, man, I want to be here. And not just I want to be here, but I want to, stand on the top of the mountains and tell everybody about this, right? It changed my life, So I worked my way up, from saw guy to manual machinist to CNC machinist, and then I sat at the CNC machine and taught myself G code. There wasn't like a lot of YouTube or anything like that. I just had an old machinist handbook, like 4 editions behind, and the machine, So the more I taught myself, the more people started investing in me and seeing that, this kid wants to be here. We see what he goes through, and he's still like just trying to learn more and just always be around. And from there, people started, kind of sewing into me. So went to MIT, went to University of Buffalo for digital design, and I just started getting more skills and adding them to my skill set. And at the same time, I'm of the mindset that, communities who have a solid foundation have a better opportunity in life, right? And for a long time in America, we just all been pointing the finger at each other, and if we look inside and just look at ourselves and say, hey, we can internally start fixing some things, and then, other people start too, and like all these things will happen. I think that's the best way to go. So I started going back to my neighborhood. I started going back to the youth offender program. I started going to, the things that I knew, the battered women's shelter that my sister worked at and my mother went through, and started telling them about these careers.